In this video, we will explore how to use Selection Pane in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint, and here I select the one blank slide. Now here I'm going to insert some shapes. Just click on the shapes option, and here I insert the oval. So I insert here the oval shapes. Then again I go to the insert tab and click on the shapes option, and here I select the second shape, the rectangles. So again I draw here, same as I just click on the insert and click on the shapes and insert here the third shapes. So I just add here the arrow. Okay, so this way I add here the three different shapes. Okay, now after that select the any one shapes, and you can see with this the shape format tab also added. Okay, now go to the arrange group and click on the selection pane option, and you can see here the selections is added. Now you can see the all three shapes name here showing the arrow, rectangles and oval. So these are the three shapes in the slides available. If you want to hide any shape, just select the shape first, and here the selection is showing here also oval, and click on this icon to hide these shapes. If you want to unhide, again just click on here. If you want to hide all the shape, just click on the hide all. The all shape will hide. Same as if you want to show all the shape, just click on the show all. Click on this arrow and you can set this. Just select the first, and you can just click on this arrow and you can set where you want to name first, second and third. If you want to oval first, just select the oval and click on this arrow, and you can see you just see the top name of oval. And here the close option also available, you can close it. Just click on this arrow, and here have a three option. Just click on the move. You can anywhere move this selection dialog box. Okay, so I set over here, and same as just click on this arrow again, resize it. You can easily resize it. Okay, so same as just click on this arrow, and here the last and third option is a close. If you want to close, just click on the close. So that's it. So this is a way you can use the selection pane in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.